If I iterate this list in Python, I get this output. Now let's say the loop is at element 3, but instead of just getting the number 3, I also want the previous and next number. In this video you learn how to create such a greedy loop, and as a bonus you learn how to create a generator function that you can reuse in all your projects. I loop through the numbers list and execute the code. I start by adding the next element to the output. For this I need the index of the current element. This gets the next value. I'll print it. Now you know what happens when I execute the code. This code crashed on the last iteration. So if I is greater than the last index, I set the next value to none. I test again. And that works. Now I do something similar for the previous value. I print the value and execute the code. And that works as well. And now I will pack this code into a generator function so you can reuse it in future projects. I change the numbers parameter to a more generic name. And instead of printing the result, I yield it. And now I can loop over the greedy generator. And that works. The yield statement turned the function into a generator. Of course, the yield statement is only one way to make an object iterable. You could also implement dunder iter, and to see how that works, click on this video right now. There you learn how to make your custom classes iterable and subscriptable.